In this video, I show you how to fix eFootball stuck on loading screen or eFootball loading problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that eFootball is up to date or not. For checking this, search Play Store. Now tap on eFootball. Now up to date your eFootball to latest version. Then go back to your phone settings. Then tap on apps. Then tap on see all apps. Now search for eFootball. Tap on eFootball. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now go back. Now turn on airplane mode, then off again. After doing this, now open eFootball. After doing all this, now I hope that this method fix eFootball stuck on loading screen or eFootball loading problem. Done. Next, confirm. Enter date of birth. Next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.